What's going on, everybody? My name is Brayden with Talos Drones. Today I'm going to be showing you how to transfer a drone to another account. So first thing is we're just going to look up DJI Agras, and that'll pop up with this link right here. We'll just click on that so we can log in. All right, and then here I'm already logged in, but it would usually look like this. So you put your email in and your password there, and then you'll log in. Let's see. Boom, boom. But to transfer a drone to another account, it's pretty simple. You'll just first start at this homepage here. Then you go to aircraft management. And then we're gonna transfer this drone right here. So you gotta select the drone you wanna transfer, of course. And then we're going to click transfer aircraft. Then you have to put the email of the account you want to transfer to. All right, so that's the email, then click next. Then you'll confirm the transfer, so click next. Then you'll put the password of your account, boom, and then click transfer. All right, so that just transferred the aircraft to the other account. Then you will go to the other account to, of course, make sure that it was fully transferred, and that's the confirmation you need. All right, now we'll be doing the same thing, but on the app. So first, now we're on the DJI app, so we're just gonna hit device, right? And here's the drone that we want to transfer, so we're gonna click on that one, boom, and then here at the bottom is transfer. So we're gonna do the same thing that we did before. We're gonna put in the account that we're trying to transfer to. So for me, I'm gonna do support.tech@talosdrones.com. Then confirm that it's the right account, click next. Then you'll put in your password. So then click transfer. And see, aircraft transfer successfully. So that means that it is successfully transferred to the other account. Then we just need to go to the other account and confirm that it was actually transferred. And again, I'm Brayden from Talos Drones. That was how to transfer a drone to another account. Thank you for watching. And if you'd like to see more of that content, please like and subscribe. Thank you.